Hi, Smarty stars, welcome to Smarty Kid TV. I'm a smarty and silly doctor, Max, your family doctor. Welcome to Dr. Silly's hilarious clinic, where the patients are being cured in the funniest way ever. First patient, please, what is wrong with you? The relative of a chicken.
Dr. Silly, every time I hiccup, it sounds like a chicken. Oh doctor, it is terrible. I have got the chicken hiccup. Cluck.
Whoa, a chicken hiccup, you say? A rare but serious case. Don't worry, I have just a cure. Stand up and start a very silly dance, flapping arms, waddling and making extra bok sounds.
Dr. Silly, I have unstoppable giggles. It started this morning and snort, it just keeps going.
Oh no, that is giggle atrophy. The giggle meter says, full. You will have to give more tickles. That is the only way to put you back on track. Wait, now I can stop giggling too. Help next.
Dr. Silly, this a bit strange, but my tummy keeps singing opera. I am worried. Please cure it as soon as possible.
Next patient please. You need a strong music therapy and a rainbow-colored bandage of harmony. Let me apply the bandage to your tummy. It will help your tummy to feel a more quiet tone.
Wow, ID work, doctor. You are not only silly, but more silly. Thank you, Dr. Silly. This rainbow bandage is amazing.
If you ever have a silly sickness, you know who to call. Bye for now and keep laughing until you subscribe the channel, Smarty Kid TV.